Hello YouTube, today I'm on the 4th map of the Blood Harvest campaign on Left 4 Dead 1. Let's see, pump shotgun it is. And the first aid pack. Let's go. So today I'm going to talk about Angry Grandpa. So, his son started uploading videos of him on Break.com. It's another video sharing website. And his first video was a Christmas freak out. So all of his kids and grandkids started opening up presents without his presents, and he got pissed that they started opening without him, but I guess they were impatient because Angry Grandpa was really late. I think he dressed up as Santa Claus too. And poor guy. So yeah. And then once he had an audience on Break.com, he started uploading to YouTube.com. I think his first video was Angry Grandpa ranting about YouTube, which is kind of funny. And then I think it was one of the most famous videos is when Angry Grandpa destroyed the PS4. Man, destroyed the table with it, and then broke the glass on the glass table. Man, he's one crazy dude. Wow, I am so glad I did not shoot that car. Wow, that was a great shot if you ask me there. Wow. I'm so glad I did not shoot that car, or else a horde would have came. Guess that boomer would have served his purpose. There's a little horde now. Kill these guys here. Pallet drag. Jeez. Where's that smoker? Good. Wow, that was a lot of smoke. Yeah, I'm gonna try not to go backwards in this, because there are some times I tried to record this map before and I kept going backwards. Over this tree. Okay. I think I'm going the right way now, finally. There's a tractor trailer truck. There's another car. Don't shoot it. Alright, I think I'm going the right way. Come on, guys. Lowest killed Hunter. Where's that boomer at? Where is it? Oops, sorry. Oh, my bad. I got everybody puked on. Oops. I'll protect you guys. I'm not gonna be like you, just leave you hanging. Come on. Of course, I got to reload. There we go. Alright, I think we go up these stairs here. Go up these two.
Up the stairs.
Yep. Then we go across this bridge. The safe house is right on the other side. Oh, Lewis, come on, bro. Gotta help you now. Oh boy. Ah, poor Bill. He died too early. That's supposed to wait. Supposed to wait, Bill. How come you die now? Hunter. Oof. Thanks for that save.
Run for the train car.
Oof. Nice special infected kill there. The Bill. Lewis with the boomer. Come on. Get in.
Let's get inside.
Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching.
Shit, that was
We
hard.
play. I'll see you guys in the next video.